How to fix Uber Eats payment method declined. I'm gonna show you two fixes. For the first one, you just wanna load up the app, and here we'll go into account. Once you have opened up your account, you will go into wallet, and what you have to do is completely remove your payment method, and then you will re-add it. If that doesn't work for you, the second fix, we have to close the app completely, and then we'll go into our phone settings. From within the settings, you want to search for iPhone storage. Just like that. Click on iPhone storage. And from the list of applications, you want to find Uber Eats. Click on show all if you don't see it immediately. Then, once you find Uber Eats, we'll just click on offload app, confirm the offload, and then reinstall it. This button is going to say reinstall. You just want to reinstall the application. It's not going to remove any of your data or log you out of your account. It is simply going to verify the integrity of the files. This should fix it for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.